South Middle School. This is Mr. Lyon. This is your Period 3 student engagement class titled Cities of Today, Cities of Tomorrow. I am going to show you how to access all of your assignments for this class. They are going to be on Class Notebook, which is a part of Office 365. So just follow through on this tutorial, follow along, and you'll be good to go for the rest of the quarter. So what you need to do is you need to go to the following website, portal.office.com. Click enter. It's going to prompt you to sign in. So I've already signed in. You need to sign in with your normal username at k12.sd.us and then your password. Don't forget RCAS, all capitalized at the end of your password. If you have problems logging in, you can email me at andrew.ley@k12.sd.us. Once you get logged in, you're going to get to this screen. You need to click on OneNote, the purple icon, and you are going to see I added you to a class notebook titled Mr. Lye Student Engagement Period 3. Click on that. And it's going to bring you to our class notebook for this student engagement class. Now, you're not going to see everyone's names over here. That's because I have access to all of your class notebooks. You will just see your name. If you click on Period 3 assignments, you will see our assignments. So this first assignment is going to be titled, What is a City? Once it lets me click here. And I will have your entire assignment posted within the hour here. It's March 27th at about 10:20. So you do not have to start doing your assignments for this class until Monday, March 30th. So by the time you see this, it should be the 31st. That's when I want you to do this assignment. But this is how you access your assignments. And if I ask you to just create a homework page in Class Notebook to complete your work, to write down your answers and whatnot, it's really easy. All you got to do is click on your name over here. So I'm going to use Jalen as an example. Click on Homework, and then you'll title your assignment. For this one, it'll be What is a City? And then you'll write down all your answers here. And then it saves automatically, which is awesome. You don't have to submit it. You don't have to email it to me. It saves automatically, and I can access it. Again, if you have any questions, just email me at andrew.lewy@k12.sd.us. And you guys have a wonderful day.